Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Great to see you made it through last night and all that tequila. Today I'm going to use the flat iron. It's our down day. So I was thinking maybe some kind of kinky curls to go through my hair. And yeah, maybe a bandana. Maybe I'm feeling a little cutesy today. So what I'll do with this is I'll just go like halfway through. I won't pull it all the way through. I'll just do a little twist, leave those ends out, and not really care because I want it to be a funky mess kind of look. Leave the ends out. I have a crimper somewhere in this house. I need to get it out and we can do some crimps and waves and some funky 80s, right? That would be great. Feeling that. So you could just take random pieces, go through like the mess that we are. And I'll just do one forward, one back, one forward. You know, that's how I like to keep my volume and my mass. And just with a little smidge of curl, you know, don't get carpal tunnel using these flat irons, curling your hair all crazy. You could do it with a curling iron too. Just put the curling iron in the middle of your hair. Just put the curling iron right here and either go back or go forward, whichever way. But just in the middle, that's the only part. I'm trying to get a little bend in that middle part. I hope everyone's trying out some hairstyles. Trying to like look cutesy in this new year. Impress the neighbors that don't even really like you anyways. Because you don't let all of their relatives park in front of your house when they have game night on Thursday. That's what happens in my neighborhood. Neighbors be hating. My 5-year-old thought that they were going to try to poison us on Christmas when they brought chicken dumplings, or not dumplings, they were like little chicken things. She didn't want to eat them because she knows the neighbors, they don't like us. I get crazy about my parking spot. I'm territorial. And it's a crappy parking spot right under a tree. Birds crap on my truck all the time. I don't even know why I want that parking spot. I need to be taking someone else's parking spot and having them get all mad at me. Okay, so you see it. It's like a messy, just kind of wave, right? It's that beach wave. Oh my god, can I have the beach wave? No. And then I like to go old school. Get my little bandana out. I love bows and bandanas. I think JoJo Bow got all her stuff from me. She was like, I like that girl wearing all them bows. I like to just bring it up. You knocked it. It's so naughty. And I'll bring my front pieces out. And then I just like to pin it in so it doesn't move, because that's the worst when this bandana starts moving, you feel it. But it's a super cute accessory. Now if there was like a big fat bow up here, that would be even better. Pull some hair forward. Have your mess in the back. Even if you wanted to throw a little back combing, Madonna, right? 80s, bringing it back with a little style, a little accessory. You could do it. It's a new year, a new you. Find something that works. Anything works. Everything works. Any style, every style. You could do it. We all can do it. Switch it up. Change it up. Keep them guessing. Keep them thinking you're up to no good, because we are. This new year, we're going to be feeling good. They're not. Don't let them know. We got your number. If you liked this video, funky, fast, easy, fresh, bandana, hello. Press like, subscribe, tell your friends. Thank you guys. And next week, we'll be starting it up again. Tomorrow's an updo. Let's see what kind of funky we can get into, all right?